Welcome to the world of data catalogs and metadata management. This is all about organizing and discovering data assets across large enterprise environments. Let's define some key concepts. Firstly, a data catalog is a centralized inventory that organizes data assets for easy discovery and governance. Secondly, metadata management includes the processes of collecting, enriching, and maintaining metadata to improve data understanding. Enterprises often face data-related challenges. One is data silos, which are isolated systems preventing comprehensive data discovery. Another challenge is a lack of context, meaning missing business meaning and data lineage information. Data quality issues, such as inconsistent formats and unreliable data sources, is another problem. Finally, there is compliance risk. It is a difficulty to track sensitive data for regulatory requirements. A data catalog is a centralized, organized inventory that catalogs all data assets. It enables easy discovery, governance, and collaboration across an enterprise. There are different types of metadata. One is technical metadata, which includes data formats and schemas, storage location and size, and data lineage and processing history. The other is business metadata. It includes business definitions and glossary, data ownership and stewardship, and usage context and policies. A robust data catalog offers several benefits. It accelerates data discovery, enforces governance, improves data quality, and boosts collaboration across teams in complex enterprise environments. Data catalogs have core features like data asset inventory and classification, metadata harvesting and enrichment, and search and discovery tools. In addition to these, data catalogs have additional capabilities like data lineage visualization, collaboration and annotation features, and access control and compliance. To implement metadata management, we should establish processes for metadata collection, standardization, and governance to create a reliable, comprehensive enterprise data ecosystem. In summary, effective data cataloging and metadata management enable enterprises to unlock data value by organizing, discovering, and governing data assets seamlessly. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.